Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the class of biology. And today class is about the chapter number 9, plant physiology, and the topic which are going to be discussed in this lecture is internal structure of root. Now let's start with the what is the internal structure of root, और उसके बाद हम ये देखेंगे कि which are the phenomena that roots are responsible for. So the organ which absorb water and salt from the soil, ये कौन सा organ है? That is the root. And as you have seen in the diagram, the next slide shows the clear diagram of internal structure of root. अब आप देखें the starting from the outer to the inner. The outermost is the root here, which is likes to be the extension of epidermis. Then next to root here is the epidermis. Then the broader zone is a cortex, and then single layer of endodermis, and internally they are the vascular cambium. Now let's start what is the internal structure reveals. This internal structure reveals the epidermis and the root hairs. The structure that is covering the root, which is the epidermis, और उस epidermis से there are some tiny hair-like extensions that comes out, and these extensions are responsible for absorption of water and absorption of salt. Now the salt is the plant uptake the salt by the process by the phenomena that is active transport, and the water moves from the soil to the roots through the passive transport, that is by means of osmosis. Osmosis is जो हम previous lectures में पढ़ चुके हैं. Active transport is the movement of molecules from lower concentration to the higher concentration with the help of energy, and osmosis, which is a type of passive transport जिसके लिए एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, विच इज़ अलोंग द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट द मॉलिक्यूल मूव्स फ्रॉम हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू द लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. द नेक्स्ट इज द ब्रॉडर जोन ऑफ कॉर्टेक्स, और आप एज यू हैव सीन इन द डायग्राम, कॉर्टेक्स इज़ द ब्रॉडर जोन. जो आपको सबसे आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग नज़र आ रही है दैट इज़ एपिडर्मिस, जिसके द रूट हेयर्स है. द नेक्स्ट इज़ द कॉर्टेक्स, and next to the cortex is a single layer which है रेड कलर में आपको नज़र आ रहा है, दैट इज़ द एंडोडर्मिस. अब ये एंडोडर्मिस दैट एक्चुअली is responsible for the movement of water from the cortex to the inner part tissues, which is called the vascular cambium. So endodermis is the innermost boundary of cortex that receive water from the cortex. Pericycle is the narrow layer of cells present in the inner side of endodermis. And vascular tissues, vascular का word हम use करते हैं transportation के लिए. So the tissues which are present in the plant either for the transportation of water or transportation of food, they collectively called vascular tissues. और इन vascular tissues में कौन कौन से tissues involved हैं? Xylem, which are responsible for the transportation of water, and phloem, which are responsible for the transportation of food, that is solid, from the area of manufacturing to the area of utilization. So they are collectively called vascular bundle. They are in the form of pipe which is connected to the similar pipe in the stem, and water from the pericycle moves into the xylem of root, from where it is transported to the xylem of stem. Inside the root, water and salts take up by the two ways, either through the cells or either through the intercellular spaces. अब देखिए ये दो ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम पैरेलल में है. एक है जाइलम की द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन थ्रू द जाइलम टिश्यूज, और जाइलम क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है? वाटर. एंड द अदर इज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ फूड विच इज़ कैरिड आउट बाय द फ्लोएम. सो जाइलम टिश्यूज कैरीज वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल ऑल द वे थ्रू द स्टेम टू द लीव्स, और वहाँ पर एंड दिस वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. And the phloem tissues, which are present mostly in the leaves, that is the area of synthesis of food, and they take up food from the area of manufacturing to the area where they are utilized. So दो parallel system चल रहे हैं. एक system है xylem वेसल्स का जाइलम टिश्यूज़ का, और दूसरा है विच इज़ फ्लोएम टिश्यूज़. So xylem tissues are responsible for transportation of water, and phloem tissues are responsible for the transportation of food molecule. होप यहाँ तक आपको इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर समझ आ गया होगा. अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज़ आप क्वेश्चन मुझसे ग्रुप में पूछ सकते हैं. आई एम हेयर टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.